Before you start cooking on your Searwood Pellet Grill, it's helpful to learn your way around the controller. Let's take a closer look at the screen. The large numbers in the upper left part of the screen indicate the temperature inside the grill or manual mode level. The smaller number at the upper right displays the set temperature. The icons in the upper right corner are where you find set temperature, smoke boost, and manual mode settings. Plus, a flame icon that illuminates automatically to indicate the grill is actively running. The large number below the icon displays a timer when set or during shutdown. You'll also notice connectivity and power icons can be seen on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of the controller, you'll find the display for the temperature probes. Once you plug a probe in, it will show the probe temperature. You can also set a probe target temperature here. If you have a Searwood XL600, you'll see a fuel gauge along the edge of the left-hand side of the screen. Now, let's move to the controls. This button with the 3 lines is the menu button. Start here to access cooking modes, timers, probe temperatures, and shutdown. And then use the knob to navigate through the controller menu or set temperatures, timers, and more by turning left or right. As you scroll, notice where the screen flashes and the line appears to guide you. When the setting you want flashes, press the knob to select it. Some functions may require you to press the knob a second time to set it. Find additional videos that dive into the other functions on your Weber Connect app or Weber.com.